Here's some phytoplankton trivia. Subscribe. What type of organism is phytoplankton? Is it A, microalgae, B, bacteria, C, fungi, or D, zooplankton? The correct answer is A, microalgae. Which process do these organisms primarily use to produce energy? Is it A, fermentation, B, photosynthesis, C, chemosynthesis, or D, anaerobic respiration? The correct answer is B, photosynthesis. What element do phytoplankton require in large amounts for growth? Is it A, oxygen, B, potassium, C, phosphorus, or D, nitrogen? The correct answer is D, nitrogen. Which gas is released by phytoplankton during photosynthesis? Is it A, oxygen, B, methane, C, nitrogen, or D, carbon dioxide? The correct answer is A, oxygen. What is a primary role of phytoplankton in marine ecosystems? Is it A, predator control, B, carbon fixation, C, nutrient export, or D, oxygen depletion? The correct answer is B, carbon fixation. Which pigment is mainly found in phytoplankton? Is it A, myoglobin, B, xanthophyll, C, melanin, or D, chlorophyll? The correct answer is D, chlorophyll. What phenomenon occurs due to excessive phytoplankton growth? Is it A, algal bloom, B, ocean acidification, C, coral bleaching, or D, dead zone? The correct answer is A, algal bloom. What is the main factor controlling phytoplankton distribution? Is it A, light availability, B, pollution levels, C, ocean depth, or D, salinity levels? The correct answer is A, light availability. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.